and welcome back to another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. I'm Cindy.
Hey.
Behind the camera is my son Michael, and this is my small kitchen. You know how we do it all the time. And over there is Teddy. He's by the door, Mike, and then Ginger is sitting over there, you know, sitting in one of them green chairs, and then Teddy is by there, like he wants to go outside. But anyways, guys, today I'm heating this up. It's about to start getting hot, and I'm heating this pan here. I am going to make some turkey cheeseburgers.
Oh yeah.
With some fried plantains for my husband. And okay, so here's my pan right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a little bit of oil as soon as it gets hot, and we'll lay out those turkey burgers over there. And this is a plátano, so I just wanted to do this so you guys remember how we do and cut this plátano. This one is very green, so probably when I cook it and it's done, it's gonna be delicious. I'm not a good peeler of green plátano. You know what I'm saying? Like when they're very green like this, the skin is very hard. So that was me with the big knife that I went like that across deep. So I know where the end of the plátano is. That way.
That's right.
I can take it off. Right, Mike?
Yeah. And don't get it on your clothes
here
either.
It goes. This is getting hot, so let's turn the fan on. Okay, and oh, I was going to say my light from there, it broke. I don't know why. I'm going to put that down, Mike, a little bit. It burned out, and we tried to change it, but we couldn't. So be careful with this from the plantain, because if it falls on your clothes and it's like a white shirt or something light, it doesn't come off. It stains. Okay.
That's
so
right.
I'm gonna cut them like this across. So I'm gonna like pre-fry them, take them out,
Beautiful.
Smash them.
That's right.
And then throw them back in the oil again to finish like getting really nice and brown. So I'm gonna lower the heat on that. It's still getting hot. And while that's going on, this is a little bit hot. I'm gonna take a little bit of oil. Any oil that you have, guys, in your house will work. It doesn't matter. It can even be fat, you know, that you can actually go ahead and coat your pan with it.
That's right.
And then there's 4 patties here. This cost me $4.99, and there's some salt and pepper.
Wow, that's cheap.
That I have over there. Yeah.
That's $1.25 a patty.
You want to make sure that, you know, you put your certain oil.
That's right.
And you're going to lower that because it's turkey, and we want that to cook.
You don't want it to dry.
You know, you want that to cook a little bit. We're going to go on thin. And here's the other one.
Beautiful.
And we're just going to leave them in there like that.
They look just like regular hamburgers.
Where's my thing? Oh, and then hold on, guys. We're going to take this here, and I'm just going to put them together, push them together a little bit, because what I want to do is this.
That's right.
Okay, and I'm going to put this on the top like this.
That's right.
Okay, and I'm going to let it cook slow like that, because it's turkey. It's going to get really nice and brown at that temperature, and we have it with a smasher like that, so it won't burn. Now we're going to come over here, and this is hot, so we're going to put oil. You know, then we're gonna put it all the way up.
That's right. Be careful, folks.
And okay, so you're gonna take your the outside, the peel of your plátano. You're gonna turn and throw that out over there, and then you wanna try to get one of these with holes. You guys probably see me cooking with this one, right, Mike, all the time?
Oh yeah, the strain spoon.
And then what you're gonna do, you see, this is already like getting hot, but we want it to get a little bit more hot before we put those respective plátanos in there. Because when I take them out, I'm going to smash them. Let me put these in here. I'm going to smash them up, and then we're going to refry them again. So now, let's start putting them one by one.
All right.
You see the oil?
Oh, yeah.
After I'm done putting all these in, I'm going to lower it so they can cook through.
That's right.
And I'd be able to smash them without them being like raw still on the inside.
That's right.
I'll show you guys in a little bit what I'm talking about for those Spanish people out there just like me that make plátanos all the time, my family and friends, you know, that are like all over the country, and the Caribbean also for that matter. So I'm just going to tuck that pan away from there. And as you can see, I just want to show you. You see the bottom, Michael, how it's getting? That's going to be really nice.
Oh, yeah.
You know what I'm saying? All that. But you see how it's jumping up a little bit?
That's right.
So what we're going to do is we're going to cover this. And before I turn this around and I turn my plátanos around, we'll be coming back. That'll be like in a minute and a half. We'll come right back to continue where we left off. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. So we're gonna move them around. A little bit of meat came around, but I want those lines.
Don't try this at home. Be careful, kids.
And then we're gonna do that the same way, this way, okay? So from the oil with my brush, I'm just gonna coat it because you know that turkey meat is very dry.
That's right.
So you don't want that to be dry. I already seasoned it, but I'm gonna put a little bit more. And we're gonna lower the flame like that. And we're gonna let them cook, and then we'll be right back. These are the plátano, guys. Come and show Michael real quick. Now they're ready to come out. And then when they cool out and come out, I'm gonna smash them, and then they're gonna go back in again.
That's right.
Hold on a second. I just want everybody to be there. Okay, because I'm gonna smash one of them the way that I want you guys to do it in your house. If you don't have anything to smash it with, guys, you can use anything hard. You can use a cup.
That's right.
You can use one of these.
That's right.
Take one of these, put it like that, and push down.
You can use a coffee cup, a
like
regular
this,
cup.
then those are gonna go in.
Whatever
but
shape
I'm not
you
gonna
want.
put them in, not until they're all done. You see, on both sides.
That's
they're gonna
right.
Go back in
For a double
and,
fry.
So you know what to do. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll come back after they're all smashed like that. We'll come back, and after I turn these again, we'll come back. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Hey guys, sorry. So anyways, I flip it, but they kind of like they're getting stuck a little bit. So this is the queso. That's gonna be on the top. Okay. So that's gonna be the cheese. Here are the buns, and the buns I'm gonna move. Michael, that's very hot, Michael, over there. Michael, I think Michael wants to get burned.
No,
I don't
yeah.
know why. You know, he does, because he keeps on, you know what I'm saying, doing that. This is gonna be the burgers, Michael. But hold on. You know, see? They're nice and crispy down there, but these are the turkey burgers. And you know how these turkey burgers are. So what are we gonna do, Michael? We're gonna cover this because we want that one cheese. I want it to melt.
That's right.
It's gonna melt just like that. By me, actually, I can turn it off. Excuse me. Let me wipe that, Michael, and we're gonna put those plátanos to fry. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Right now. Here like that. I'm gonna put that in. Sorry. I know. Okay. Okay, here we are with the plátanos. 1, 2. Teddy, get out. 3. I forgot to mash that one. Oh well, you know, it's a house of people that live in here. And we don't sometimes things come out a little bit, you know, crazy. Like if I can make a video, you know, of every time that something goes wrong or I cut myself, I would have a lot of that.
I was gonna say in the future, I'll keep that in mind.
But then, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, we haven't really like deleted or taken out anything like that.
No.
You know, once in a while, remember when I cut my finger, that was recorded.
Yeah.
But it grew back.
Well, we had to edit a little, you know.
Yeah, I know. Oh, I think it was this one, yeah. I almost didn't know what finger it was. Well, I can't see because I'm blind as a bat, you know. Yeah, hold on, babe, I'm recording. Oh, you want to come down and say hi? Okay.
No, I'm not riding bikes on Sunday.
I'm recording. You're live right now.
Oh, don't show me because I have no shirt on, but what's up? You get to see some of my
That's my
wife's
crazy.
beautiful cooking.
Babe, you don't have
That's
to.
got me overweight.
Babe, my food doesn't got you no overweight. What would you say that?
No, but she got
He likes to eat
delicious,
Skittles.
awesome
He likes to eat
cooking.
Skittles. And he eats cakes and pies, you know, once in a
Cakes
while.
and pies, cakes and pies.
Babe. So anyway, that was my loving husband, guys, over there. And I'm just going to, that's spatula. He got me all, like, you know.
I think my dog's outside.
Yeah? So
Yeah.
go open the door for Ginger. Come
Ginger.
right back. Okay, guys, I'm turning these here. Ginger's there.
Ginger, oh.
Michael, that's freezing.
She was only out there for like 2 minutes.
No, I think I heard her barking for a while. How long were you there?
2 minutes and 49
Get
seconds.
her away, Michael. Because I don't want nothing happening to the ginger. Okay?
GG.
These are gonna be, that's plátanos. I'm gonna put in here. They're almost done. And then I'm gonna just, guys, I took the bread out already, okay? So we're gonna do this together. Give me like another minute or so. We're almost done. Oh, there was a plátano that I forgot to smash. Look, that one didn't get, you know, mashed.
And unsmashed.
Exactly. Oh, the reason why I have my cast irons with a little bit of oil, because if you don't, they get rustic. So that's like a, you know, a good thing to have. So you leave a little bit of oil on them, and you pass it from one to another, and you keep them nice and moist. You know, that's what you do. Okay, you see how nice they look? Oh, I love me some fried plátanos like that.
Me too, Mom. Me
and then
too.
You know what I like to put? What are we gonna put, Michael? Garlic and
Salt.
Salt and garlic salt that we
yeah.
have. Garlic salt.
What about those burgers, Mom?
Oh, I'm gonna put them right now. Let me push this back, Mikey. You know, one thing at a time, son. Let's put these here. Oh, this is just some ground beef and more thing that I have here. You know, I like to make my my meatballs, right, Mike?
That's right.
Okay, you see how they melted it? Because if you put
Those
the
are
thing on the
beautiful.
top, exactly. So these are our cheeseburger, our turkey burgers, right, Mike?
Turkey
Is
cheeseburgers.
that what we call them?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, turkey cheeseburgers, people. Oh, let's turn that off. The oven is off now. And here they are. Let me get the ketchup and the mustard, right, Mike?
Oh yeah.
Don't you put mustard and ketchup on your stuff, guys? Who does?
Comment down below.
My husband doesn't like the lettuce on the thing. I don't know. I like it because I think it makes it like nice and crisp. You know, when you take that bite and that fresh lettuce.
Oh,
you
yeah.
know, he doesn't like that. So since he's on a diet, we're not even gonna put what do you call it?
Mayo.
Mayo on
No
the bun.
mayo.
No. Because you know, I'm gonna help him.
You're
try to
health
lose
conscious,
weight.
but you
My
still want
way.
a tasty burger.
Yeah.
This is the way to go.
You haven't tried my way yet, and my way is the right way. You gotta eat your food. You don't go on a diet. You eat your food just like this. Okay, but they're turkey, so it has like less calories. It still has the cheese and it has the bump.
Helps with sleep.
1.5 with some of these plátanos, and Michael's gonna eat the other half.
That's right.
You know, so I'm gonna control what he eats.
You can put a smiley face.
I'm gonna make 2 smiley faces.
All right.
One of mustard. So you gotta put mustard on a turkey burger.
That's
You
right.
gotta make that, you know what I'm saying? Exciting. And I'm gonna put some ketchup on there too.
All right.
And then I'm gonna go like this.
Beautiful.
And like that. And from the middle with a saw knife.
That's right. Serrated.
From the top.
That's right.
If you cut like this, you won't break your bread.
Right. You don't want to mush it down.
And you don't want to mush it down, exactly. So here we go. Look at that cheese melting.
Oh, can I take a
Wait,
lick?
of course you can.
Oh, wait.
And let's cut the other one. So you know what to do, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow me. Don't forget to love me as much as I love all you guys.
That's right.
And just join Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Google Plus, Pinterest. I mean, if you want to donate $1 or $10 or $20 or $100 so we can make the channel better, make more good stuff like everybody likes, I'm going to donate $1, $5, $3, you know.
Really helps.
Never make you more rich or more poor just because you're giving away a little bit here and there. We all do that. So anyway, thanks for watching. I love you all. Don't drink and drive. And if you want to lose some weight, follow my steps. And, you know, I can help a lot of people out there, I think. But you got to do exactly as I say it. Turkey burger. I'm going to feed my husband one of these. 1.5. And that other half, Michael, take a bite of that.
All right.
With these plátanos over here. That
All right, everybody, let's see.
Let me put the salt. The garlic salt. You can get any kind of garlic salt you want. I like this one a lot. They have the Goya, the Spanish one. How's that, Michael?
It tastes just like a regular hamburger.
And here's my plátano. So you put your garlic, salt. Here you go. There you go.
Oh, that's a
And,
delicious cheeseburger.
That's all for today. Thanks for watching. And see you tomorrow for another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. Don't drink and drive.